Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting new update on Discord. How to add your very own About Me section on PC. Let's get started. First things first. Go ahead and open Discord on your computer. Once you're in, you'll see your server list on the left and your friends list on the right. Next, look for the gear icon at the bottom left corner of the window. This icon is your gateway to settings, so click on it to bring up your user settings. Now that you're in the settings menu, head over to the My Account tab in the sidebar. This is where you can manage all your account details, including the new About Me feature. After that, you'll want to find and click on Edit User Profile. This window will allow you to customize various aspects of your profile, and it's where the magic happens. Now scroll down to the section labeled About Me. Here's where you can express yourself. Write whatever you want, your interests, hobbies, or even a fun fact about yourself. It's a great way to let your friends get to know you better. Once you've crafted your perfect About Me section, don't forget to hit the Save Changes button to make it official. And there you have it. Your About Me section is now updated. Thanks for tuning in today. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks on Discord.